Welcome to I Need Scholarships channels. Now we'll learn how to apply for King Abdullah University of Science and Technology scholarship in Saudi Arabia. It is a fully funded scholarship for master, PhD and also MS leading to PhD program are available under these scholarships. So open your browser and go to this website, ineedscholarship.com website. All latest scholarships are available on these scholarships. If you want to get any type of scholarship in any country, then must visit this website for regularly, and we are updating all scholarships regularly. So you need to visit this website. Okay, now search here King Abdullah or KUST scholarships. Search here, open this scholarship. The detail of the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology scholarship in Saudi Arabia 2022 is open now. You can read all the instruction of the scholarships and the detail of the scholarships are mentioned here. Application requirement. All the application requirements are mentioned here. IELTS scores and other English proficiency test scores are mentioned here. The detail of the scholarship, the scholar provider is King Abdullah University of Science and Technology Scholarship 2022. The university name is mentioned here. Maximum departments are available to study here. The program under this scholarship for master, PhD and also MS leading to PhD program are available for these scholarships. Fully funded scholarship for all nationality holder students. Applicants submit their application as online portal. You can apply as online, no need to apply as physical. The deadline of the scholarships is open now for 2020 admissions. Benefits of the scholarships are mentioned here. Saudi Arabia scholarships cover your tuition fees during all study periods and also provide the monthly stipends allowance. The amount is mentioned here, you can read it. And housing, medicals, dental coverage and also support. Eligibility criteria. All the eligibility criteria are mentioned here. Student, if you want to apply for master degree, then you must all the instructions and CGPA and mentions here. Student should physically and also medical health is good. Field of study, field of studies, bioengineering, environmental science, engineering, marine science and also mentions here. Computer, electrical, math department, physical and engineering departments, all programs are available under. How to apply for King Abdullah University of Science and Technology scholarships. The instruction of the apply method are mentioned here. You can read it and then apply for these scholarships. If you want to see the official announcement of the scholarships, then you click on the official site of the scholarship buttons. If you want to apply for the scholarships, then you click on the apply button of the scholarships. Okay, the official announcement of the scholarships website King Abdullah University of Science and Technology is open now, and all details of the apply now, admission websites and master degree, PhD degree, IDB scholarships, financial supports of the scholarships King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. If you want to contact the management of the university, all the details are mentioned here. You can contact via email. Okay, now if you want to submit your application, then write here your last name, first name. The application portal is open here. You can Place your last name, first name, middle name, email address, verify email. Again write here your email address, date of birth, interest in King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. You must select the one program, MS, PhD or PhD, MS, semester years, and fall 2022 program. All program are mentioned here. You can suppose we need to apply for this scholarship program. Now you select your specialization. Each program have a different specialization. Suppose in earth science and engineering have two specialization. We can select solid earth. If you select any other department, then the research program is different, mechanical engineering. Okay, login informations, login and passwords, create your according to your choice. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any type of question, then comments under video. We will reply you as soon as possible and also solve your all question. Okay, bye.